treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Volvo XC90. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine. Volvo prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, and power seats. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volvo also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, integrated rear child seats, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.